Right now, I'm going to show you how to hide and conceal scratches on a wooden door with Howard's Restore a Finish. So all you need for this is an old towel to apply it. Now we're going to apply it with the towel first. If we need to, we might jump into the steel wool. I've got 4/0 steel wool here. But first, we're just going to start with the towel. So this is the walnut color. And I'm just gonna apply it to the towel here and then apply it to the wood, the door here. And this is a dog scratch that we've got on the door here. So I don't need a lot, just a little bit there. And now I'm just gonna rub it in to the wood here. So just using my finger, one finger underneath, I'm just kind of pressing in and rubbing it onto the door here. So just up and down, side to side, circular motion there, back and forth until it kind of soaks into that spot. And so, of course, it's not filling that in. This is just an oil, but it is at least getting it all the same color, so it's just not so obvious. You know, the other option, of course, is sanding down that entire piece, restaining it, refinishing it, which is a big job. But this here, just alone, it hides that scratch, and it's just not so obvious, and it makes it look much better. It's basically blended in there. So if you didn't know it was there, you might not even notice it that much. And so that is just a quick, easy way that you can help conceal some stains and other things or scratches that you might have on your wood surfaces. Now, if that didn't work, what you can do is you can take this 4/0 steel wool, and what you would do is it's just a different way of applying it. So this isn't so abrasive that it would actually scratch the door, but what you would do is just apply it to that directly and then work it in. So depending on how deep the scratch is, you might need some steel wool there, but in this case I didn't, and I was just able to get it into the scratches there with just the towel. And it works on a variety of different scratches, so just resaturate your towel as needed and then just apply it to all the spots that you have on the doors. And again, your wooden doors, this is going to work fantastic and get rid of a lot of those scratches and marks. That's actually paint. So, but it works wonders, and it really helps if you've got dogs or just daily life bumping into stuff, scratching things. It's a great way to conceal those scratches and make your wood look really good again. Now keep in mind, it does not fix it, it doesn't fill it, but it does really conceal those scratches and make your wood doors and wood anything. You can use this on furniture, chairs, you know, anything that you have that's wood. So there you go. That is how you can quickly conceal a scratch that you have on a wooden surface. Now it needs to be typically real wood, and it works nicely. Now they do have different colors and different shades. So this is the walnut, and there are different types that you can get, but I found that this works pretty good. And then they also have a neutral color that you can use for a bunch of different stuff. So hopefully that helps.